Now let us see the circulation of heart. Circulation of blood in heart. Blood from left ventricle. We have done that it is taken by main aorta to all the body parts. From left ventricle arises this main aorta, which takes the blood to different body parts, that is the different organs of the body. Oxygen is given to different organs and the carbon dioxide is collected. Now this blood vessel, we can see that oxygenated blood from left ventricle is taken by the main aorta. These are the body tissue or various body organs to which oxygenated blood, oxygen is given and from them carbon dioxide is taken, and ultimately the whole oxygenated blood is given to vena cava, and this vena cava enters in the right auricle. From right auricle blood goes to right ventricle. From right ventricle arises what? Pulmonary artery, which takes deoxygenated blood to lungs, and from the lungs come the pulmonary veins and they bring oxygenated blood. Now this is written as from left auricle blood goes to left ventricle. From left ventricle arises main aorta, which distributes the blood to the body tissue. From body tissue deoxygenated blood is collected by vena cava. It goes into the right auricle. From right auricle it goes to right ventricle. From right ventricle pulmonary artery takes the blood to the lungs. From lungs the pulmonary veins, they bring the oxygenated blood where? To the left auricle. So we can see in single heartbeat, that is one contraction and one relaxation, the whole of the blood of the body passes through heart twice. दो बार कैसे? पहले यहाँ से गया राइट वेंट्रिकल से, गया कहाँ आ गया? लेफ्ट ऑरिकल में. दिस इज वन सर्कुलेशन फ्रॉम राइट वेंट्रिकल टू लेफ्ट ऑरिकल वाया लंग्स. राइट वेंट्रिकल से गया लेफ्ट ऑरिकल में आया, कहाँ से? लंग्स से होते हुए. एंड द सेकेंड इज लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से कहाँ गया? टू द राइट ऑरिकल थ्रू द वेरियस बॉडी पार्ट्स. सो दीज आर द टू सर्कुलेशंस. दैट इज वाई द सर्कुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड in human beings or mammals, it is called double circulation, because in one cardiac cycle, one contraction and relaxation of heart, the whole of the blood of the body passes through heart twice. We can see lungs के बाद हम क्या कर देंगे? The blood, it becomes oxygenated. From lungs oxygenated blood comes body tissue तक oxygenated रहेगा, lungs से लेके बॉडी टिश्यू तक. और बॉडी टिश्यूज को ऑक्सीजन दे दी, क्या ले ली? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो इट बिकम्स ईजी टू रिमेंबर दैट which blood vessels are carrying deoxygenated blood. When blood is carrying carbon dioxide, it is said to be deoxygenated, and when it is carrying oxygen, it is said to be oxygenated. So there are two. Why it is double circulation? क्योंकि सिंगल हार्ट बीट में एक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन में पूरी बॉडी का ब्लड हार्ट से दो बार पास करता है. वन इज फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल टू द राइट ऑरिकल. दिस सर्कुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल टू द राइट ऑरिकल वाया बॉडी टिश्यू, दिस इज कॉल्ड circulation, not systematic, it is systemic circulation. And the flow of blood from right ventricle to the left auricle via lungs. यहाँ क्या था? via body tissue. This is called pulmonary circulation. So double circulation जो है, that is a very important topic, comes as a 5 mark question normally. So we will define double circulation. Then double circulation consists of pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation, and then you will draw these two diagrams. This is the figure showing circulation of blood. Circulation of blood में भी यही diagram schematic presentation बनेगा, and double circulation में we will have both these diagrams.